talaga sana, alas 6 pa lang. Magalis na tayo. Diyos ko.
Mama,
Natulog ako ulit sa alarm ko.
like this now.
What is that?
That's it.
Okay, we will do that later, yes? But we will celebrate the birthday of the king first. I don't know. Nag-request siya ng toast na meron daw peanut butter. It's not yet done. Pogi naman mag-celebrate ng birthday ni ni King. Yodela tita! Yodela tite! Yodela titi! Yodela tita! Yodela tite! Hindi pa po kami umaalis kaya nintay namin yung bus. Magbike sana kami kaso wala tayong maparkingan ngayon guys. Lalo lang sasakyan. Kaya magbus na lang po tayo, no? Aga sana ako kasi si Dayan, nagbenta siya ng mga damit, mga sapatos niya doon, guys. Actually, bala ko din po sana magbenta ng mga damit ni Nathan. Kaso, chinek ko yung mga damit niya, hindi pa ganun kadami ba? Maliit lang po na bag. So, ang iniisip ko ngayon, sabi din ni Bianan, ibenta ko na lang daw online. Doon sana kami matulog kay Bianan, guys. Kaya tulungan sana ako ni Daniel, magdala ng mga sako. Na, kay kunti lang man masyado. Punta din po tayo ngayon sa store nila Maricel kasi nag 50% na naman sila. Naalala niyo yung blue? Yung palaging suot ni Nathan. Doon ko po yung binili. Grabe, 2 years niyang nagamit. Kaya medyo malaki man yun yung nabili ko. Ngayon, magbili na naman tayo kay nagpaiba na ako sa kanya yung 70 euros, naging 20 euros, more than 50%. Akalain nyo yan? Kasi yung mga brand nila Maricel doon. Kaya nagpatago talaga ako. Sabi ko, mas malaki pa nga yun eh. Baka hindi pa yun magamit ni Nathan. Kasi 116 yung size na natago niya. Wala na daw silang 110 pero okay lang, 20 euros. Saan ka maghanap niyan guys? Tapos branded. Tingnan nyo ang harap ng bahay namin. Oh, meron silang mga flag guys. Why didn't we put our flag, mahal? First time naming mag-bus as a family guys. In fairness. First time. Ayun din ang flag. Ganyan yan dito pag birthday or may mga nangyayari sa buhay ninyo, ng anak, ganun maglagay yan ng flag, no? Are you not cold? Let's close your coat. Yan na coat ba? Doon pa yan galing. Bus is here. The bus is here, everybody.
Bus. And then he's going more faster.
Yeah, let's go to the city. He's already saying that he wants to go to the sushi. Sarado pa. Please daw. Dito na tayo sa city, guys. Adik sa sushi itong anak ko. Marami kayong makikita na naka-orange today. Because the color of the royal family here is orange, guys. Orange. Like that, oh. Diba? Wala pa lang. Grabe karami guys. Nag-send yun sa akin ng picture kagabi si Dayan kung saan siya banda na nagpwesto. We're going to Dayan, mahan. City of Leeuwarden, guys. Naka-close ang city ngayon. Tingnan niyo may mga bantay po dyan. Look at that, look at that. Meron kayang nagbebenta. Wala man. Saan man to si Daniel? Bakit man ito pumunta dito? Needs to pee. He went there to pee. Tingnan nyo guys. Naglagay sa wala yan ganyan. Ngayon lang yan. Kaya merong party sa city. Ihianan po yan. You also need to pee. You cannot pee there. You want to go to kadami mong alam sa buhay mo. Gusto mo ng sushi. Gusto mo ng magpunta kay CR. Didi magpunta tayo kay Tanta Maricel because we're buying you a new coat.
Why?
Because you need a new coat. This is getting smaller to you. Oh, simula na dito guys, oh. Mga benta, mga second hand, third hand, fourth hand, all the hands in the world.
You tell them
What?
that this is called Vrijmarkt,
What is
also
that?
in English free market. But the other word for this is Rommelmarkt, which means junk market.
That they're selling junk?
Yes. That's the Dutch word, Rommelmarkt.
Yeah, alam nyo naman ang mga Dutch, hindi yan sila magbenta yung ano na nga, yung mga maganda pa. Mga benta nila dito guys. Ganyan sila. Wow, all the toys in the world. Maganyan din sana ako dito sa city ba? Aga sana tayo masyado nagpunta dito. Ito ang culture nila dito, guys. Every King's Day. Ang king, where is the king today, mahal? Do you know where?
Welcome.
Ay, that's near?
Yep.
Ay, really? Sa Duko, mga ano siya, 20 minutes drive galing dito. Ano yan siya, every year, isang city ang pinupuntahan ng king. Doon siya mag-ano, sa mga tao, mag-wave-wave. Ayan o, mga pangbata. Alam nyo, hindi na katulad dati, mag-orange talaga ang mga tao. Ngayon, hindi na masyado madalas mga bata ang makita ninyo na naka-orange. Realize ko na mabuti na lang hindi ako nagbenta. Bakit? Hindi nyo sana makita tong ganito, oh. Oh, naka-orange si madam, oh. Diba? At least ngayon napakita ko sa inyo anong itsura ng King's Day dito. Oh, tent! Mga sapatos ng bata.
Mahal, I'm tired. Let's go sit and have some coffee.
Oh, sure. Uy, we just got in here. You want coffee later na?
Let's go to
No, baby, not today, okay?
later.
No, on Mother's Day, right? We said. Yes, we're going now. Kisali din sila sa party, guys. Nilagay nila all orange books there. Bookstore po yan. Benta siya ng honey, oh. Chill-chill lang sila dyan. Kain-kain ng dessert. Hi!
What do you say?
That they're eating dessert. And they're chilling. Anong oras pa? Alas 10. Nag-inom na ng beer, oh. Ala, sige. Party yan hanggang mamaya. Last year, nag-celebrate po kami ng King's Day ni Daniel sa Amsterdam. Hindi normal, guys. Grabe ka
Was that last
busy.
year?
Or 2 years ago?
I think 2 years ago.
Yeah. Hindi normal ang kabisi. I thought we were there. I will buy stuff. Kay ano yan ang mga stores ba open, tapos grabe sila mag-sale. Pares kanilang ma-resell. Pero may iba din po na close ang mga stores. Pero doon, super close. Alam niyo ano meron doon? Party. Grabe ka party sa Amsterdam ngayon. Sa Amsterdam, mag-parade ng mga boat. Okay, maganda din doon kung gusto niyo ng party. Ito na tayo kanila Maricel, guys. Tingnan natin. Baka may mahanap din tayo. Pares niyan, 60 siya dati. 20 euros na lang ngayon, di ba? Grabe ka, mura na. Not bad, but we have already at Maricel. Grabe ang mga damit, guys. Nagbaha. Hindi ito ganito. Nilabas talaga nila lahat. She's there. She's there. Nakalaki day. Ha? Hindi normal day. Kalaki pa day. Kalaki pa nga. Hindi normal. Pero pwede man, itago ko lang. Ha? Oh! Han for your moon!
Yeah, the length here, no?
Yeah.
Malaki pa siya dito. Pero yung dito niya, sakto lang. Uy.
20 euros mahal. It was 70 euros. But super big.
Die mouwen zijn nog...
Ja, maar ja, het duurt nog een jaar voordat hij hem gaat dragen.
yeah.
I like this for him. And the other one.
Does it fit me?
Yeah, let's buy that. 10 euros na lang. Galing siya sa 25. Not bad na yan. Mga pang party for on your birthday because the papa almost birthday. We need a nice clothes.
I think it's nice that you think of me to give this on my birthday, but I think it's a little bit too small, mahal.
Dali naman. Tag 10 euros na lang lahat, guys. Halos lahat ng nakita ko, mga tag 10 euros. Pero ito sila dito, mga pangbata, mga pang teens. Parehas niyan, 30. 10 euros na lang. Okay na, nakalabas na tayo. Alam nyo, ang napansin po namin ni Daniel, hindi na parehas dati ba, mag-effort talaga ang mga tao na mag-orange, tapos wala na, dati puno talaga to, may magbenta dyan sa mga gilid-gilid. Ngayon, hindi na. Parang napagod na sila magbenta, guys, pero andito pa rin to. Walang katapusan itong itlog dito. Hindi talaga to nawawala. Look at that. Tapunan sila ng itlog. Magbayad. Bilhin. Agoy! Bilhin mo ang itlog, tapos tapunan sila ng itlog. Nathan, look! Come here! Nathan, look, they're throwing eggs on them. No. You see? Boing. Magbili ka ng itlog, tapos itapon mo sa kanila. You want that too? Katakot dito. Ay, baka ako ang matapunan dyan, guys. Baka matalsikan ako, guys. Let's go, mahal. Maybe it will go to me. Mamaya party ito dito. May mga concert po sa gabi. Wow! The Leeuw Varden, guys. And this is the old tree na ano ba yan? Oy, tinanim ng way before Princess. Matagal na yan, napuno na yan. Mga benta nila dyan. Tag, Nathan, look! Tapos magbigay ka ng pera doon. Ay, nanood ka man. Let's not watch because we don't have cash. Hala, why are we don't have cash? Grabe na English yun ah. Nakakakaba. Why are we don't have cash? Sampay din nila dyan. Mga coat. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan guys ha. Ako bahala sa paggala ninyo. It's not really busy anymore like before, mahal, no? Before, this was very full.
But I also think because it's cold now, before last time it was
Warm?
hot, warm.
Oh, yeah. Oh, may mga pa-concert dyan. Sabi nga ni Dayan, magala kami mamaya siguro. Hindi na.
You cannot really move. You need to walk in between all the people.
Yeah, before.
Now we can just do whatever.
Yeah. Ito. Yan guys, pabilihan yan ng Maria Juana. Dami ng benta niya, oh. At saka dati sikipan talaga ito. Hindi inuram na ang mga tao. Halos hindi ako makablog dati. Ay, ano ba, punuan talaga ito maglakad-lakad. Yun, oh, tingnan nyo. Believe din ako sa kanila. Ba kahit saan lang sila naghanger, guys. Ayos yan, oh, naghanger sila doon.
Even when it was super full, I already saw a decline because every year the stuff being sold was getting more and more junk.
Yeah.
It's more that before, you know, when you had stuff you want to sell, you had to do it like here, or you had to post a paper in the supermarket like that.
Yeah.
Now, if you have something nice to sell, you put it on the internet, so there's nothing nice to sell anymore on days like this.
Oh, yeah. You are right. That's the reason why. Ano benta nila dyan? Mga books. Malayo-layo yung ano ni Dayan. Uy, pwesto niya. Palabas pa ng city. Doon tayo punta ngayon. Kaya magtingin ako baka may mga boots siya, no? Kaya mga benta ni Uncle, oh. Dito naman. Parang ano naman yan, uy. 20 hands. Mga old na masyado. Doon pa, bebe. A little bit further. Ah, bra din. Oh. Yung bra. Second hand na bra. Diyos ko.
Why do something else than party when
Yeah.
the other
Kaya
party
sa ano, Amsterdam nga, puro party lang doon sila nagbebenta. Kaya, ganyan na mga music na marinig ninyo. Dati yung loud music talaga. Mag-ina pa yan. Nagbenta sila ng mga gamit nila. I need to go there later, mahal. I need to buy soju.
you need to buy?
Soju. I've got a surprise for you. Thank you. You know why or not? You remember this? The famous, what is that? Ice cream! Oh, Lavanesia. Katagal na natin hindi nakapunta dito, guys. Kain tayo ice cream. Look, baby. Wow! That's your ice cream.
Thank you, Mama.
Enjoy. Oh. What is more yummy? This one or sushi? What is more yummy? Let's go. Kaya may nagsigarilyo dyan. So, baho. You go sit. Careful, ha? Baka mapunta sa damit mo. Let's open this first. Patagal ng patagal, guys. Paboring ng paboring ang King's Day nila dito. Ito, nagpwesto si Dayan, guys. Kita ko na siya. Meron siyang customer. Day. Meron siyang customer. Tingnan yung mga damit niya. Oh, 5 euros daw.
Underyaw.
You want sandalias?
Uy, natang emosyonan man. Ito yung gusto ko ba? Nani nga, kwan ba na gray?
Tara na guys, wala akong nabili doon kay Dayan. Nabili na yung magaganda niya na anong oras na kasi ba? Alas 10 na, alas 7 pa siya nagsimula dyan. Sayang. Yung mga coat niya po, hindi kasi tayo nag-aga dito masyado. Tinamad ang inday ninyo. Look at them. Wow. You see? Wow. That's nice. Uwi na tayo guys. Lakarin na namin to pabalik sa station. Yun na yun. Tiyunta natin dito. Ang isa naglakad na kay Nilamig. Kumain pa dyan ng ice cream. Pa-surprise pa more. Cotton candy. Yeah, that is the cotton candy. But you already ate ice cream. And that's very, very sweet. Bye-bye! Nathan! Picturean ko nga siya, Bi. Nathan! 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 You see, there's a lion. And a king. There. A king lion. Hello. Doon, meron din yan sa loob, guys. May nagbebenta din sa loob. Pero usually, pag ganyan sa loob, mga bata po ang nagbebenta. Ito, busy sila, in fairness. Oh, cars. Cars she's selling. You want to buy something? No, baby love, you have a lot of toys, just ko Lord. You have a lot of toys at home. You know, we should sell your toys here. You want that? We sell your toys? Because you're not using them anymore? No.
Then I have zero toys.
Just a little toys. Then you can play with your toys. Look at the child. Nice. A diamond in the sky. Punta po tayo doon sa may weekend bag. Eh baka makabili tayo ng mga snack natin doon.
Surprise for me na mo.
No more surprise, baby love. You already got your surprise. Marshmallow from Tante Maricel and also the, what was that? Ice cream. Weekend bag. What do they have? Let's see. Ito yung pinakamura. Look at that. Cheese, agoy. The free one? The free one, ito yung pinakamahal. XXL. Hindi kami bumili ng weekend bag. Hindi masyado masarap yung mga binibenta nila ngayon.
to the car playing.
Where is that? Oh, there. Yeah, we can go there. Let's go. Maganda yan, oh. Pero parang Makati. Ito ba? Maganda. Magkano po? Wala mang price. My husband likes that.
No. 50 euros for one bra.
50 euros for one bra? Oh, hindi na.
On King's Day on sale. 50
Yeah.
euro.
Hindi normal. Alam niyo naman, mahilig sa bikini itong mister ko, pero kamahal po doon. Getting more busy here. Maybe because it was early. Masyado tayong naging judgmental. Nagdami na ang tao. Grabe nakabisi, guys. Ayun siya, oh. Ang bus station. Kasarap sana mag-party-party mamaya. No. Kami na dalawa ni Daniel ba? Wala magbantay ng anak namin, ha?
We are going to eat pizza.
Where is the pizza?
Whoa, we're
going to
eat pizza.
No, that's a song. Whoa! To the island. Antay na muna tayo dito kay 18 minutes pa guys. Si Bianan, andun daw siya kay Oma.
Makati.
Kaya hindi kami yung posundo,
Naar
makahiya din.
Amsterdam.
Oh, that one? No, that's not going to Amsterdam. That's going to Souderburen.
Mama,
I don't know.
am hungry.
You are hungry, almost, baby love.
I
Still.
want to eat McDonald's.
Ay, pag sure, uy.
Food?
Yeah, fast food. Not allowed to eat that every day.
What is
You will
fast?
fast that they make it fast food.
Why? What is fast food? McDonald's?
You ask your father.
What is fast food, Papa?
McDonald's.
Because it's fast. Because they make it fast. That's not good.
Although nowadays it's not fast anymore. Need to wait a long time.
Sura natin, be. Ano man kainin natin pag uwi? Kumain ako kanina. Nagbikol kasi ako chicken para di ba hindi pork.
When you are me?
You have a lot of question today.
Why?
I don't know. What do you want to know?
I want. What do?
Nata, I have a question for you.
What?
Sometimes you poop, right? Yes. Why do you poop?
I don't
Nata,
know.
why do you poop, Nata?
I don't know.
Sometimes you pee, right?
Yeah.
Why do you pee?
Why?
Kanina pa siya
Why do you
tanong
pee,
ng
Nata?
Why?
Every time may sinasabi ko, why? Why?
Why?
Because
Wow.
I'm asking you, why do you pee?
marumi na ang ano mo. Linisin natin yan, be. Your glasses are very dirty now.
Why?
Nathan,
Diyos ko.
sometimes you sleep, right?
Yeah.
Why do you sleep? Why? Why do you sleep?
I am bigger sometimes.
Doon na kami maghintay kay grabe kadaming naninigarilyo doon. Grabe kabaho.
Go with if you have
And you have
with
me
your
and you
photo.
know tooth and clap your tooth.
Grabe ano na sila ka-board guys. Puro utot na ang mga ano nila dito.
Clap your tooth.
Clap your utot.
Happy I know it, clap your tooth. Happy I know it, I really want to show it. And you happy I know it, clap your tooth.
Wow, nice song. Oo, wait lang. Water singing.
Charleston, Charleston, and one like Charleston, choo choo, choo choo, and one like dancing, Charleston, Charleston, and one like Charleston, choo choo choo, and one like dancing.
Party sila dyan guys.
Moet je zelf maar even zoeken naar die helden.
Father,
Bye bye, city. We're going home.